Welcome back to my channel. Assalamu alaikum. In this video you will see the design of high neck. A high neck kurti is a style of Indian traditional clothing for women. It is a variation of kurti, which is a loose fitting tunic that can be paired with various bottoms like pants, leggings or skirts. The defining feature of high neck kurti is its neckline, which extend higher up the neck compared to regular kurtis. Here are some key features of a high neck kurti. Neckline. The neckline of high neck kurti is higher and closer to the neck compared to other style. It often covers the collarbone and may extend up to the base of the neck or higher. Some high neck kurtis may have a button closer or a keyhole opening at the back to make it easier to wear. Sleeve length. High neck kurtis can come with various sleeve length, including full sleeves, 3/4 sleeves or short sleeves. The choice of sleeve length depends on personal preference and the occasion. Embellishments. High neck kurtis can be embellished with various types of decorations such as embroidery, sequin, beads or prints. These embellishments can be found around the neckline, sleeves or hemline, adding an element of visual interest to the garment. Fabrics. High neck kurtis are made from a wide range of fabrics including cotton, silk, chiffon, georgette, crepe and more. The choice of fabric depends on the desired level of comfort, occasions and weather conditions. High neck kurtis are popular for both casual and formal occasions. They can be worn as everyday wear or dress up with accessories and bottoms for special events. The versatility of high neck kurtis make them a staple in many women's wardrobes, offering a blend of style and comfort. I hope you like the video. Please like the video, share and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.